Hello and welcome to AA AAA, and thanks for stopping by. This week I don't have a more video, so the vlog talk has taken over the slot. I'd like to thank everyone out there. I reached the 500 subscribers goal. This is great. This inspires me to go on. And because of this happening, I do two things. The first is I scratch my money together and do another project. And the second is I'm planning to do a giveaway. This giveaway is already ordered, but not here. As soon as the things had arrived here, I do another video and let you know about the rules, how you can win these little giveaways. And for so long, you already see it. Sun is shining. Have a great weekend. See you soon on Aussie Birds.